Hello and welcome to this short presentation about the CCL Academy's distance learning offering for CISI Qualifications. Now, my name's Martin Mitchell. I'm one of the tutor team here at the CCL Academy, and I just wanted to lay out three major reasons as to why we believe we've got the offering that is right for you and your people, your team. Now, first off, you're watching this video, you presumably know about us. We are hugely experienced in delivering CISI programs, in preparing people to successfully pass CISI qualifications. We've been doing it for many years. We've got plenty of experience. We've trained hundreds of people. So the successful outcome that you want, which is people passing these exams, we know how to do that. We've got plenty of experience and expertise in doing exactly that. And what we've done is we've distilled that into a distance learning offering. You don't only need to take my word for it. The CISI itself has given us the badge of premier training provider, which is their, if you like, quality kite mark, saying these guys at the CCL Academy, they know what they're doing. You can trust them to deliver the training that you want for CISI qualifications. So we distilled our experience, our expertise into these distance learning products. That's the first point. The second point, what's good about distance learning? Well, some of the things that are good about distance learning are obvious. Distance learning is flexible. Distance learning enables people to self-pace their learning, and I'll talk about that within the context of this second point. The first thing to say is if you think about setup, well, if you think about setting a face-to-face event up where you're getting people to go along to a face-to-face training event, well, what do you have to get together? You have to get a list of names and details of a venue and all those kind of things. The setup for these distance learning products is even more straightforward. It's virtually painless. All we need to set people up are names and email addresses. And what that will enable those people to do is embark on a flexible journey of learning, which is absolutely clear as to the various stages that journey takes them on. And we will monitor their progress on that journey. And for management, we will provide regular reports as to how they are doing on that journey. Now, that journey consists of various bite-sized elements, and we've got virtuous feedback loops in those elements. In other words, what happens is the delegate studies a particular area. At the end of their study, they test themselves. If they know their stuff, they move on to the next bite, the next stage of the journey. If they don't know their stuff, they go back into the product and review it again. Or if they're having problems with it, they reach out to us. It's got a support function embedded within it, this product, and all people have got to do is reach out and we are there to support them. So these individuals that are signed up to these products will have the benefit of our support all the way through their journey. There are lots and lots of savings attached to distance learning. There's the savings, we've talked a little bit about face-to-face. You don't have to send people along to a venue. You don't have to book a venue. There are actual tangible savings from using distance learning. And if the distance learning product has what we believe it has, it's distilled all of our face-to-face capabilities into it, then there are real savings to be made here. And individuals clearly don't have to be at a particular place at a particular time. They can study it when it's right for them. And that's going to have benefits to their ability to do their day-to-day job and meet their job outcomes besides passing a particular qualification. That's the second key point. So distance learning, many great flexible aspects to that. Third and finally, the outcome. Well, we touched upon it at the beginning. The outcome that we want to see, the outcome that the delegates want to see, the outcome that you as a management team want to see is a successful one. In other words, people passing the examination at the first time of asking. So a successful pass at the first time of asking. Now, within the product, the revision section, the final stage of the journey, consists of hundreds of exam-style questions. Within that, there are practice examinations, practice tests that individuals will try. These individuals will know whether or not they are ready for the real thing before they go in and sit the real exam. Now, for management, that can have a real money saving. If you send someone in to do the exam and they're not ready, there's a real cost to every exam sitting. If you're only sending in people when they've, if you like, passed the hurdle, the expectation that you've set them in terms of the practice tests at the end of this product, then you are not wasting money on exam sittings where the individuals are not properly prepared, and we get the right outcome. Remember, the right outcome is a successful outcome at the first time of asking. And the reports will encompass our recommendations as to readiness. So you will know when to press that button to send someone into the real examination or when not to do so. I hope that all makes sense. And I hope that's been a useful run through the three key reasons why our distance learning offering is so invaluable to your needs. Our experiences in there, all the benefits of distance learning, stage journey, plenty of reports, a painless sign-up process, and the outcome that we want with the potential for real money savings of not sending people into examinations until they are ready. I've been Martin Mitchell at the CCL Academy. Thank you very much for viewing this. Bye for now.